Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the euro dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear it from Greg in our trading room.
The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.1% in the last session. The CCI has gradually diminished into the neutral zone. Twitter's stock has gained 1.1% in the last two sessions. Stochastic transitioned into the negative zone. The sterling-dollar pair has added 0.2% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has cooled down and is now giving a neutral signal. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.6% in the last two sessions. The ultimate oscillator has shifted sharply into the positive area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Payments company Square invested $50 million in Bitcoin, becoming the latest large institution plowing big money into the world's first cryptocurrency. World shares headed for a one-month high as hopes for more U.S. and global stimulus offset Europe's rising numbers of coronavirus cases and lockdowns. The sterling will likely continue to trade sideways ahead of next Thursday's crucial EU summit, which will discuss the post-Brexit relationship between the EU and the UK.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Japanese PPI will be released on Sunday at 2150 GMT. The UK unemployment rate Tuesday at 400 GMT. The US CPI Tuesday at 1030 GMT. The US Red Book Wednesday at 1055 GMT. The Eurozone CPI Friday at 700 GMT. And the U.S. business inventories Friday at 1200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.